Greetings. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige po, is there anybody here today who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? May kukontra po ba sa wedding? Kung wala, very good. Let us continue. Tayo na kayong dalawa. Yeah, very good. Fritzy Regine, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes, I am.
Very good. Van John, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes, I am.
For the both of you, do you take upon yourselves the duties of this marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Yes, we do. Declaration of intentions. As you now, in the presence of these people, to declare your intention to enter into union with each other. To the group. Van John, will you have Fritzy Regine to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking on others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
Very good. Fritzy Regine, will you have Van John to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as you both shall live? Very good. Sing na. The rings. A circle is a symbol of wholeness and perfection and unity. Like circles, the rings have no beginning and no end. They are tokens of the growing relationship that you have come to celebrate and to confirm. Follow after me, Vanjan. Sasabihin ko. Kunin mo na yung sing-sing niya. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, pwede sing-sing. Very good. Good, and then, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Suot mo na. Harap naman tayo sa family natin. Ano naman payo po natin sa bagong kakasal? Wish at saka payo naman. Okay. Ano po tayo?
Maganda na pamumuhay ninyo. Thank you.
I wish you both the greatest in life, and I hope you love and respect each other.
Thank you. Dito naman. Tama nga naman kayo tibaga.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank the mayor who is officiating the wedding right now. And to Banjan and Fritzy, just be faithful to one another. You know that life is not a bed of roses at all the time, but put God as the center of your life and everything goes well. Good luck and God bless.
Masasabi ng banda and Fritzy, love one another and respect each other.
Thank you, Tak.
I hope you have listened to the last portion of your vow. All that I am, all that I have, you have to honor each other. Keep that in mind, keep that in heart. And you will live.
Thank you, Tak. Doon naman sa Ninong Ninang and friends. Harap na kayo sa likod. Dito po tayo muna. Ano naman ang wish at saka payo mula sa isang mga kakasal?
May papayo ko lang po sa kakasal ko sa lalaki po. Pakundangan ang babae, isang marupok na sisigan. Unawain mo siya sa bawat panahon. Siya may kapangyarihan sa iyo naman. Ang babae ang may kapangyarihan sa iyo. Ganon din ang lalaki ang may kapangyarihan sa babae. Magpasakop kayo sa bawat isa, sa bawat bagay. Unawain ang bawat isa. Yun lang po at salamat po sa Diyos.
Thank you.
At papasalamat pa po Diyos at pagkakasal sa kanila. Ang may papayo ko lang, magmahalan kayo ng lubos sa isa't isa. Pagsamahan ang bawat isa, magkaunawaan at magmahalan.
Thank you.
Unang-una sa lahat, magandang umaga Mayor. Si Don Roman ng Barat. Kasi Banjan and Shane, gusto kong congratulate sa mga kasal nyo ngayon at ang sasabihin ko lang, gumawa kayo kagad ng bata. Pahalin para kunin sa Canada kagad. Okay, that's it. Mayor.
Thank you. Thank you. Just wish for the right there.
And so you're now entering the married life, both of you. What I wish for the both of you is just be faithful to one another and love each other, and don't do anything that can harm the other partner.
Thank you.
Panyan, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Masasabi ko lang magmahalan kayo, saka magrespetuhan. Sa kung may problema, always think ka.
So, congratulations, Fritzy and Vantan, on one of the most memorable days of your life. And irespeto niyo yung isa't isa, and may you find love and hope in each other's hearts forever. Congratulations.
Sa likod, meron siya ba? Okay na? Okay na? Wala na? Sige, harap na kayo. Mamaya nyo lang sabihin siguro. Hawak mo yung kamay niya. May vows kayo to each other? May sinulat ba kayo? Wala kayo na-memorize? Anyway, sige. Fritzy Regine, ano naman gusto mong sabihin sa your husband-to-be? Your vows, your promises to him as a wife.
I promise to love you every day of my life, in sickness and in health.
Okay. Ganun din, John, ano naman ang gusto mong sabihin to your wife-to-be?
You know that always be with you. No. I love you.
Very good. Sige, keep on holding his hand. For the groom, follow after me. I hereby take you, Fritzy Regine. Follow after. I hereby take you,
I hereby take you
Fritzy Regine,
to
to be my wife,
be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one
one soul,
soul
and one affection,
and one affection.
from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and health,
to love,
to love,
to cherish,
to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn.
Okay? Follow after me also, Fritzy. I hereby take you, Van John,
I hereby take you, Vantan,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection,
and one affection.
from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and health,
to love,
to love,
to
to
cherish,
cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay. By the virtues of the power vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Loreng Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Ambato, Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which I have contracted and now pronounce you duly wedded husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Yes, yes.
5 minutes.
Sige, yung mga witnesses po, ninong-ninang, paki-witness po, pipirma po sila. Ito sa harapan.
Tapos pag itima mo for copies. Kuya, dito ka.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Picture taking na po tayo. Dito na lang. Okay. Dito lang. The parents mo na tayo. Okay. Okay. With the ninong-ninang po. Sino pa? With family? Relative?
Ano naman?
Friends? Sino pa?
Jonathan.